Hello and welcome, dear student. I am M. Kutwal, Assistant Professor, Department of Agronomy, Sadhguru College of Agriculture, Mirajgaon. Today, we discuss our course Agro 234. Course title Crop Production Technology First means the Kharif crops. In that, our theory syllabus most important part it is the pulses, different pulses, pigeon pea, moog bean, udit bean, cow pea, kidney bean, and horse gram are several pulses crops. Among that, most important the pulses, the pigeon pea, botanically known as Cajanus cajan, black gram, Vigna mungo, green gram, Vigna radiata, kidney bean, Phaseolus acanthofolia, cowpea, Vigna senescens, and horse gram, botanically known as Microdilium unifolium or Dolichos biflorus. These are the several 6 pulses crops. Then today we discuss about the horse gram or kulthi kiwa hulga. These can be called as a hulga also. Botanically, Microdilium uniformium or Dolichos biflorus we called. Both are the botanically names of the horse gram. Family Leguminosae, origin India. Botanical description about horse gram. Horse gram plant is herb, cylinder and slightly twigged branches. Semi-erect type of the plant and its height near about 30 to 50 centimeter height. Pods are short, 3 to 5 centimeter long and linear with secured bricks and have 5 to 7 seeds. Seeds are flattened, 3 to 6 millimeter long, light red and brown color. So these are the botanical description about horse gram. Then area and distribution. Geographical distribution of horse gram. It is Southeast Asia crop predominantly grown in South India. In India, it occupies 1.88 million hectare with a production 0.89 million ton. It is extensively grown in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Orissa and Tamil Nadu and also Madhya Pradesh. These are the low rainfall area or very light soil can be grown this horse gram crop. Then we discuss about the economic importance of horse gram. Horse gram it is the prominent crop in South India. It is termed as a poor man's legume. It is suited to the marginal poor soil and those are the deficient in nitrogen. Cooked horse gram cooked seeds possess an early flowers and the soups are very nutritious. Soups very nutritious. The roasted grains are salted and consumed as a confectionery items. So horse gram used as an animal feed particularly for the horse and cattle. Fresh cut plants are excellent fodder source for the cattle and milky animals. It contains 22% of the protein, 1% of the fat and almost 62% of the carbohydrates. These are the all economic importance of the horse gram. Then we discuss the soil and climatic requirement of horse gram crop. Climatic requirement of horse gram, it has excellent adaptability to drought and the various environment condition in prevailing in semi-arid tracts. It grow well in the area under the scanty rainfall condition and receiving annual rainfall less than 750 millimeter means the dryland region can be grown. It moist ideal temperature for the crop is 20 to 34 degrees Celsius. Soil requirement for the horse gram soil, the grown of the horse gram on wide range of the soil such as sandy, loamy or even deep vertisol soil. It survive on poor and marginal soils. It cannot tolerate waterlogged condition. It is the very sensitive for the waterlogged condition. It should require well drained soil. Pre-tillage or field preparation in being a hardy crops, but it does not require much preparatory tillage, but the one summer plowing and one or two harrowing are enough to the bring soil in good tilth. The no much requirement for the preparatory tillage for the horse gram crops. Then we discuss about the seeds and sowing. Seed and sowing, that sowing time for the horse gram is sown during the June and July as a kharif crop. As a Rabi crop under irrigated, it sown the month of October. These can be grown in the both of season kharif and Rabi. Then seed rate 20 to 25 kg per hectare. The spacing, optimum spacing 30 cm between two rows and 10 cm between two plants. They are kept for the better growth and development. Then seed treatment for the horse gram seed are treated with carbendazim or thiram at the rate 2 gram per kg of seed. Then after interval of 24 hours treat the seeds with the rhizobium culture at 25 gram per kg of seed. Varieties Dapoli 1, Man K42, Sina D41-1, BR10, Madhu, Vijapur, Co 118. These are the several important varieties of horse gram. Sowing method for the horse gram. Horse gram crop is sown by the broadcasting or sown in the rows by the using spacing 30 cm between rows and 10 cm between plant within the rows. Nutrient management for the horse gram crop is a seldom manured or however application of 10 kg nitrogen and 20 kg of phosphorus per hectare improved the yield. The weed management for the horse gram, one hoeing and one weeding at an early stage is sufficient to control the weed. The one hoeing at the time 25 to 30 days after the sowing. Then cropping system for the horse gram. Horse gram crop is grown as a pure crop as well as mixed crop with the sorghum, pearl millet, pigeon pea, sesamum or Niger crop. In Maharashtra, horse gram is sown as a kharif crop mixed with the bajra or sometimes Niger, and also the Rabi crops in rice follows. Then harvesting and yield of horse gram. Generally, horse gram crop matured pods suitable for the harvesting are slightly beetles and straw colored. bristle and straw color occur. Then the harvesting is done by the uprooting the plants. Then the plants are taken on the threshing yard for drying. After drying, threshing is done either by beating with the sticks or trampling under the feet of bullocks. But nowadays, different mechanical threshers can be used for the threshing of horse grains and clean the winnowing or not a mechanical threshers can be all practices threshing winnowing can be simultaneously. Yield of horse gram average yield 7 to 8 quintal per hectare obtained from the horse gram crop. Thank you. This is the all about the horse gram crop.